Hi everyone, Jeff Appleby here from Oakland Realty. It is a beautiful fall day. We've got your October market update and things are getting interesting. I'll start us off with a quote from the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver. As inventory increases, price gains relent in Metro Vancouver as we begin the fall season. What does that mean? Price data was very consistently climbing for the first 6 or 7 months of the year, and that has topped out, and we're starting to see a little bit of retracing on those prices. And a few other stats that can paint this picture of what's happening. September home sales were 26% below the 10-year average for that month. Quite a slow September. Newly listed inventory is up 28% from September of 2022, which was a very slow month. And overall inventory is still 6% below the 10-year average, but climbing. So we're in a normal inventory range at this point. This is way different from March of this year, where new listings were 35% below the March the year before. So if you digest all that, sales are slowing, inventory is climbing. So when demand slows and supply increases, we typically have downward pressure on pricing. We've been, in my opinion, seeing that for a couple of months. Less multiple offers, less competition, some more deals to be had, and I think we're going to continue to see that play out in the fall. It's not clear in the stats, but I think that is in play. So there's a few interpretations of what's happening. The first, the Real Estate Board is saying we're in a normalized market. Buyers don't have to rush. If sellers are listed too high, they're going to sit. More normal environment. The other way to look at it is that the pendulum is swinging pretty aggressively, and it is trending for what's looking like a very difficult time for house prices. We're going to see downward pressure. Now, we can't predict the future. We know the pain is setting in for families across Canada. It's getting really difficult for mortgage holders, a lot of them with variable mortgages or having to renew. But that's the Bank of Canada's intention. They want the economy to slow. They want inflation to slow, and they want to see job losses. Like, these things have to happen for us to get inflation under control. So I believe in the short term, this is what the landscape is going to look like. And when we get into what's going to happen in the medium term, it's just so hard to predict. We don't know how they're going to react. We don't know how quickly the economy is going to slow. Hard to predict, but I'll say for myself, I'm moving up a property type. I'm selling first with a long close, and I plan to buy something probably around Christmas or be into something new by the time the cherry blossoms come out. So if you want help with the strategy, and it's really important to have a good strategy, please let me know, get in touch. Enjoy your long weekend.